Each group has its own library, a place for group members to share important documents, templates, and resources with other members. The library files can be accessed by selecting Browse on the main menu bar, then selecting Library Entries. You'll see the options at the top allow you to search the library for all file types. You can also search just for documents or images. You can also sort the files in the library by different criteria to make it easier to find what you are searching for. You can scroll through to browse existing library entries, as well as download a specific file, and finally you can create a new library entry yourself. Here you'll enter a title for your file and select the library. The library is also the group name for which you want the document placed. If that group library has folders already created in it, another drop-down menu will appear called Folder and will allow you to select which folder within that file library that you want your file to be saved to. This helps organize the files within the library. Type a brief description of your file and then select the entry type. In most cases, if you're uploading a document such as a PDF, a Word document, an image, etc., you will select Standard File Upload from this list. Then hit Next. Now you'll be able to choose your file from your computer or other sources by clicking Choose and Upload. Navigate to the file that you want to upload. Click the Upload button. Now you can hit Finish. Libraries can also be accessed through specific groups. Navigate to a specific group by going to Groups in the main menu, and then My Groups. Select which group you want to see the file libraries for. Now click on the Library tab. Once in the library, you can browse through the files, download files, and create new library entries to upload files. You can also create new folders or subfolders to help organize the files within the library. To view or download a file in the library, click on the file name under the Folder Contents area, and then click the View icon. Alternatively, you can also simply double-click on the file name and it will open. Now you can click on the Download button and your file will download to your computer's Downloads folder. If you scroll down, you can also add tags and keywords to the file to help you and other members of the group find your files within the library.